Designed with the big screen, long-lasting battery, and great cameras, the TCL TAB 10 5G is your perfect on-the-go 5G tablet. Best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. What's up? This is Des with Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're going to check out the new TCL TAB 10 5G. The TCL TAB 10 5G has a 10.1-inch Full HD Plus display, along with adaptive NXT Vision, which features eye comfort and sunlight modes. This screen is great for gaming, reading, and streaming your favorite shows from Netflix. Paired with its immersive dual speakers, the TCL TAB 10 5G is your perfect portable entertainment experience. The TAB 10 5G has a 5-megapixel front-facing camera and an 8-megapixel rear camera, great for both snapping pictures and hanging out in virtual meetings. Inside, the TCL TAB 10 5G has a powerful 8,000 mAh battery and charges with a USB Type-C charging cable. And guess what? It comes with an 18-watt fast charger in the box to charge your tab quick when needed. The TCL TAB 10 5G runs Android 12 right out of the box, comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of built-in storage, and it even has a microSD card slot that lets you add up to 512 gigs more. Now let's get inside the box. Inside, we've got the new TCL TAB 10 5G, a quick start guide, SIM pin, USB-C charging cable, and wall adapter. The TCL TAB 10 5G, featuring a big screen, long-lasting battery, and great cameras. Your perfect on-the-go tablet. Best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You can check out the new TCL TAB 10 5G at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store and online at metrobytmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.